Introducing the Baseus A0 Pro Car Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate companion for maintaining a clean and hygienic environment both in your vehicle and around your home. This wireless mini portable auto vacuum cleaner is designed with your convenience and safety in mind, boasting a range of impressive features to make cleaning effortless and efficient. Features: CE KC certification and smart chip with battery safety protection, ensuring peace of mind. This vacuum cleaner is equipped with CE and KC certifications, indicating compliance with stringent safety standards. The integrated smart chip provides multiple layers of battery safety protection, guarding against overcurrent, short circuit, overvoltage, undervoltage, overtemperature, overpower, over-discharge, and overcharge situations. 2-in-1 nozzle for versatile cleaning. With a 2-in-1 suction nozzle, you can quickly switch between different cleaning scenarios, allowing you to tackle various surfaces with ease. High temperature resistance and sun exposure tolerance. Designed to withstand temperatures up to 75 degrees Celsius, this vacuum cleaner is not afraid of exposure to the sun, ensuring durability and longevity even in harsh conditions. Powerful suction and large air flowing, featuring a 45,000 RPM high-speed DC motor and a centrifugal turbofan. This vacuum cleaner offers an impressive suction power of 200 liters per minute, ensuring efficient cleaning without the constraints of wires, making it truly wireless and portable. One-click dust emptying and cost-effectiveness. With a simple one-click dust emptying mechanism, maintaining cleanliness is hassle-free. Moreover, this vacuum cleaner is extremely cost-effective, offering premium quality above industry standards. Multi-scenario applicability. Not limited to car cleaning, this vacuum cleaner serves as a handy helper for household cleaning tasks, providing versatility and convenience. Various attachments for versatile cleaning, equipped with a brush head for tackling surfaces like keyboards, carpets, and sofas, and a crevice tool for accessing tight spaces such as glove compartments and seat gaps. This vacuum cleaner ensures thorough cleaning in every nook and cranny. Compact and lightweight design for easy storage, weighing only 367 g and featuring a slim design. This vacuum cleaner is easy to handle and store in your car, taking up minimal space while offering maximum convenience. High filtration rate and effortless dust emptying. With a filtration rate of up to 99.7%, this vacuum cleaner ensures clean air and minimal secondary pollution. The dust bin is easily emptied with a press, keeping your hands clean and the cleaning process hassle-free. Low operation noise and user-friendly design. Advanced noise reduction technology keeps operation noise down to 65 dB, providing a quieter vacuuming experience. Additionally, user instructions are straightforward, ensuring ease of use for all. With its exceptional performance, safety features, and user-friendly design, the Baseus A0 Pro Car Vacuum Cleaner redefines the standards of portable cleaning appliances, offering unmatched convenience and efficiency for your cleaning needs.